This is a quick video of an Irwin 38 engine room. There's the Yanmar engine in the engine room. I'll kind of pan around. That's an access door from the other side of the motor box. Somebody asked me about the generator and air conditioning. So what I have here is the generator mounts in this area, which is forward of the engine, and it's been removed because there's a problem with the generator. So it got pulled out and it's getting serviced right now. But it mounts in that area, and that float switch you see over there in the center of the screen, that's high water alarm, and it sends off sounder alarm, so I know I have a problem. But the air conditioner is what I wanted to show, and the air conditioner is mounted hanging from the motor box. I made brackets up. There's the brackets. It's through bolted to the top of the motor box. I use L brackets, so I'll get in deeper. And it's what they call a split system. The compressor and condenser are located here. Water-cooled condenser, that's those tubes right there. And compressor, of course, hanging down. And then we're going to go to the different cabins. And here's the stern cabin. It's a little dark. Let me turn some lights on. Turn another light on. This is mounted. This is the intake for the back cabin split system. This is where the evaporator is located. There's a control, and there's the intake with a filter on it. The discharge for the air conditioner is located in the back, and it's right in that area. Let me put another light on. Okay. And there's the discharge right there. So the cold air comes up and goes back and kind of drops on you, which is quite nice. Let me come back, and I'll go to the forward cabin. Shut these lights off. Let me show you something in the head that I did. I didn't like the head just showing the toilet in the head, so what I did, let me pan down so you can see it. What I did was I put a grating over the head, so when you take a shower you can sit down on the grating, and so you don't slip and slide. So that was done. Worked very nice. The forward cabin has the same thing. Now let's go to the forward cabin. The discharge for the main cabin is right there. That it's on right now, as a matter of fact, blowing cold air. The second discharge, it's got a second duct, and that duct is right there. Now we're in the forward cabin. The evaporator for the forward cabin is located. Yeah, let me turn the light on. You'll recognize that locker. The evaporator is located in the forward cabin, and it's kind of dark in there, but the evaporator is located on a shelf. The rack, the bar for the clothes are below it, so the evaporator is located right in there, and that's for the forward cabin, to cool the forward cabin. Let's go to the front head. So you picture here. There's the forward head, and this one here has the same grating. You drop that down, and you put that down, and now it's kind of it kind of looks better than seeing the just the plain old toilet there. Taking a shower, it stays up quite a bit of the time, but there's times when it does drop down. All the heads are electric in both cabins. There's the push button with the pump out light. The manual heads were a real pain in the neck. The electric heads were far better for the heads. I think that's it for this particular YouTube. We'll continue it on.